Today I'm going to share the first lesson in our Python beginner course. This is all about installations and everything you need to get ready, and from there we will build your knowledge for Python. So let's get right to it. So first of all, you'll have to visit this website called python.org. This is where you will download the version that you need for Python. You'll click on downloads right here, and you'll see there's a version called 3.10.7. It doesn't really matter for you. Just download whatever it is that is Python 3 and install that on your computer. You'll get a little installation prompt that will prompt you to click next, 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 and you'll be done. Same goes for Windows. Then I want you to go and search for iTerm2 on Google. Then you'll see this here. It's a terminal software where you can type terminal commands and get some things going for you. Once you install it, you'll see this window show up. Let me make it bigger. And then if you type Python 3, this should appear. So for me now the version is 3.9.13. For you it should be the same version that you have downloaded on your computer. If you have that, then we're done with this lecture. And now let's get to some basic Python commands that you can do. So click this video right here for the next lesson.